In this video, I'm going to go through another application for a linear equation. And our scenario says here, my copy didn't print super well, but an airplane is 30,000 feet above the ground when it begins to descend. After 10 minutes, the plane is 10,000 feet above the ground. Now there are two pieces of information here. 30,000 feet when we begin to descend. 10 minutes later, we're 10,000 feet above the ground. So the 2 points given would be, and I'm talking about like descending feet per minute, because that makes most sense, feet per minute. So if I'm thinking feet per minute, minute is going to be my x, and feet is going to be my y, because my slope is y per x. So my 2 points would be, in the beginning, in 0 minutes, we're 30,000 feet at the start of our descending to like maybe land the plane. And then 10 minutes later, we're 10,000 feet above the ground. So feet per minute, again, slope is y per x, because it's your y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that's how I'm getting my units in order, x comma y and x comma y. Now my rate of change, again, our slope, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 would be then 10,000 feet minus 30,000 feet, and it took us 10 minutes to go that distance. So we went down 20,000 feet, 20,000 in 10 minutes, so negative 20,000 in 10 minutes, or if I simplify this, in 1 minute, 2,000 feet. Oops, my comma is in the wrong place there. Let me fix that for us. 2,000. So 2,000 feet per minute. And we're getting obviously closer to the ground. Because if we're descending, we're obviously going to try to land the plane. Now letter C says write the equation in slope-intercept form that will model your situation. Be sure to define your variables. So I'm going to let my x represent number of minutes. And then I'm going to let y represent the number of feet above the ground. And that's for our plane. So that's my two variables. My slope-intercept form would be y equals mx plus b. And I know where we started at. We started at 30,000 feet, and we descended 2,000 feet per minute. So that's my starting point, my b. And we found our slope, negative 2,000 feet per minute. So y is equal to negative 2,000 feet per minute, plus we started at a positive 30,000 feet. Our next question says explain the real world meaning of our slope and y-intercept, and then there's a space for each of those here. So the y-intercept was our starting number of feet the plane was above the ground. And then our slope is, we descend, we're coming down 2,000 feet per minute to land the plane. Awesome.